Understanding the concept of hidden markets and passive income streams is crucial as it lays the foundation for discovering lesser-known opportunities that can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Hidden markets refer to niche sectors or unique business opportunities not widely recognized or exploited by the mainstream. These markets often cater to specific, underserved audiences and hold potential for innovative business ideas. Passive income streams, on the other hand, are sources of earnings that require little to no active involvement once the initial setup is complete, allowing individuals to earn money without the continual investment of time and labor. The significance of understanding hidden markets and passive income streams is profound, especially in today's rapidly evolving economic landscape. As traditional job security wanes and entrepreneurship rises, identifying and tapping into these hidden markets can offer not just financial rewards, but also stability and independence. By leveraging unique passive income streams, individuals can diversify their income sources and mitigate financial risks related to any single revenue channel. Consider the example of niche digital products. Creators who delve into very specialized or obscure topics, such as tutorials on unique art techniques or guides to mastering rare software tools, can create and sell digital courses or ebooks. Once the product is developed and marketed, the creator can generate income each time a product is purchased without further effort. Another example is investing in dividend-paying stocks from companies in overlooked sectors. As the company profits, investors receive dividends, providing a passive income stream without actively managing the business itself. Experts in entrepreneurship, like Tim Ferriss, advocate for focusing on niche markets to maximize potential earnings with minimal competition. They emphasize the importance of catering to passionate, specific audiences keen on quality and tailored solutions. However, potential challenges include finding these niches and creating truly passive systems, as the initial setup can often demand significant time and expertise. Moreover, some critics argue that the saturation of information about passive income today makes it harder to find truly untapped markets. This understanding of hidden markets and passive incomes influences the broader topic by highlighting the potential for innovative thinking in business. As individuals become increasingly aware of and skilled at exploiting niche markets, the entire landscape of work and income generation begins to shift. This shift requires adaptability and creativity, further bridging into discussions about future work trends, technological advancements, and global economic shifts tied to niche markets and passive ventures. In essence, unearthing these hidden opportunities challenges traditional economic paradigms and paves the way for sustainable, diverse income strategies. Unveiling niche passive income streams navigates unique and specialized areas of the market that often remain underexplored. These niches are segments of the economy where demand exists despite their less mainstream nature. Hidden markets are characterized by services or products serving a particular audience, often overlooked by the broader market. The significance of niche markets lies in their untapped potential and the opportunities they provide for individuals and entrepreneurs to generate passive income with minimal competition, offering more tailored solutions to specific customer needs. In the context of passive income, these hidden markets can serve as a fruitful ground for investments or businesses that require upfront effort but promise ongoing revenue with minimal continuous involvement. Two real-world examples illustrate how individuals can capitalize on these opportunities. First, consider the world of digital products catering to specialized hobbies, such as a guide on creating artisan bread or an ebook on aquaponics gardening. With niche interests often boasting passionate communities willing to pay for tailored knowledge, these products can yield a steady stream of income after initial creation. Another example is the investment in niche real estates, such as properties designed for short-term medical stays near hospital facilities or homes catering to eco-conscious tenants. These markets, while not saturated, have a dedicated demand that offers lucrative income for investors with careful targeting. Experts often support the idea of investing in niche markets, citing their potential for higher profit margins resulting from a lack of direct competition and loyalty from a well-defined customer base. However, challenges exist in accurately identifying viable markets and assessing long-term sustainability. Niche markets can be volatile, with trends changing rapidly, leading to risks and instability. Additionally, there's a debate about the diversity of niches leading to fragmentation or niche exhaustion, where too many similar offerings dilute potential profits. Despite these challenges, the exploration of niche markets in the field of passive income often ties back to the broader principle of diversification, an essential strategy to mitigate risk in income generation. By diversifying income streams, individuals and businesses can protect themselves against unpredictability in larger markets. In summary, hidden markets provide a unique opportunity within the passive income paradigm, encouraging innovative engagement with untapped sectors and fostering resilience against economic fluctuations. Understanding and leveraging these niches can lead to a more diversified income portfolio, ultimately contributing to financial stability and freedom. Exploring unconventional sources to identify niche markets involves delving into less obvious, often overlooked areas that offer unique opportunities for passive income. These markets don't typically attract mainstream attention, making them ripe for discovery and monetization by enterprising individuals. By venturing beyond the traditional paths, one can uncover demand for specialized products or services, thereby tapping into a vein of income that is both sustainable and potentially lucrative. The significance of identifying niche markets in the context of hidden markets in passive income streams is profound. These niches provide avenues for entrepreneurs to cater to specific audiences with unmet needs, allowing them to carve out a space with limited competition. This, in turn, translates to potentially higher profit margins and loyal customer bases. Furthermore, niche markets often show resilience against economic downturns due to their specialized nature and dedicated customer segments, making them stable passive income sources. Consider the market for eco-friendly pet products, an example of a niche that might not cross the average entrepreneur's radar. With a growing number of pet owners becoming environmentally conscious, the demand for sustainable pet accessories and food has increased. Entrepreneurs who recognize this trend early have been able to capitalize on a dedicated customer base passionate about sustainability. Another illustration is the booming online courses for specific hobbies, such as digital scrapbooking. By tapping into a passionate community interested in niche craft techniques, content creators can generate substantial passive income through subscription models or one-time purchases. Support for this idea is underscored by the shift in consumer behavior towards personalized and authentic experiences. Today's consumers seek products and services that reflect their individual values and interests, thus validating the potential of niche markets as lucrative opportunities. However, tapping into niche markets is not without its challenges. Identifying the right niche requires comprehensive market research and a deep understanding of consumer behavior. There's also the risk of market saturation if too many entrepreneurs target the same niche simultaneously. Additionally, niche markets can be subject to changes in trends, which might lead to fluctuating income streams. This exploration of unconventional sources to identify niche markets is intricately connected to the broader theme of hidden markets, as it emphasizes the importance of innovation and adaptability. Entrepreneurs who successfully identify and embrace these niches enhance their passive income strategies by diversifying opportunities and fostering resilience against traditional market volatility. In the dynamic landscape of passive income, recognizing and leveraging these niches is a strategic advantage. In the continually evolving landscape of passive income, hidden markets represent untapped or underutilized niche opportunities where individuals can generate income with minimal active involvement. These markets are not as widely recognized or pursued as traditional investment avenues like stocks or real estate, yet they possess unique potential for those willing to explore beyond the mainstream. Hidden markets, by definition, are specialized sectors or industries that cater to specific, often overlooked consumer needs or interests, and tapping into these markets can yield significant economic benefits. Understanding hidden markets is crucial in the context of diversifying income streams. In the competitive world of today, relying solely on popular or saturated markets might not yield the same returns as before. By venturing into these lesser-known arenas, individuals not only diversify their income, but also mitigate risks associated with market saturation. Furthermore, hidden markets sometimes offer higher profit margins due to lower competition, allowing early adopters to capitalize on trends before they catch on widely. Consider, for instance, the niche market of vintage digital collectibles. While mainstream focus has been on physical collectibles, there is a growing demand for rare digital assets from the early internet era, such as vintage domain names or early software versions. These assets can appreciate over time, providing passive income opportunities. Another example is the market for bespoke digital templates and tools tailored for specific industries, which cater to a precise audience and require minimal updates once designed. This specificity reduces the competition and allows for premium pricing strategies. Supporters of hidden market exploration argue that these arenas foster innovation and entrepreneurship by encouraging individuals to think outside the box. When mainstream strategies stagnate, these niche opportunities stimulate economic dynamism and creativity, often leading to the development of entirely new business models and revenue streams. However, critics caution against the potential volatility and lack of liquidity in such markets. Entering a highly specialized area without sufficient market understanding can lead to investment in assets with limited resale value or market demand. Hidden markets are interconnected with other passive income strategies by offering complementary avenues for income diversification. They can influence mainstream methods by introducing new concepts and practices that eventually gain broader acceptance. As traditional markets face increasing challenges, the lessons learned from these niche sectors may offer new pathways for innovation and growth in passive income strategies. Engaging with hidden markets requires a willingness to explore and adapt, ultimately contributing to a more robust and resilient financial strategy.